Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the Steam Deck. Make sure it runs the latest Steam OS 3 X and is on Wi-Fi. Once done, enable developer mode from settings because Decky needs desktop access to install properly. Then switch to desktop mode and open the browser. You will download the Decky Loader installer there. Do this now to avoid permission issues later. Follow prompts carefully because correct mode and network access prevent failed installs and make the rest of the process faster and more reliable. You run the installer you downloaded in desktop mode, grant any requested permissions, and wait for the script to complete. Once the installer finishes, open Desktop Steam and look for Decky Loader under Tools. Enable it so Steam loads it next time. Next, open the Decky Loader UI and install or enable plugins you want. Configure settings for input, overlays, or performance. Make sure to set Auto Start if you want Decky to load with Steam. This saves manual steps every boot and keeps behavior consistent. You finish by rebooting back into gaming mode and confirming Decky Loader appears and your selected plugins work while running a game. If something breaks, disable the problematic plugin in desktop mode, then reinstall or update it via the Decky UI. This resolves most conflicts. Also check the Decky log viewer in desktop mode for specific error messages. Those details speed troubleshooting. If issues persist, make sure Steam OS is updated and the plugin is compatible. Keep changes small so you can isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.